Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Rhino USA portable camping table and stool set. There are include: discover the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures with the Rhino USA folding camp table and stool set. Engineered for convenience and crafted for durability, this portable set is a must-have for any camping enthusiast. Whether you're enjoying a meal under the stars or need a sturdy surface for your camping stove, this compact table and stool ensemble delivers unmatched versatility. The lightweight design ensures easy transport, making it ideal for backpackers and car campers alike. Constructed from premium materials, the folding table and stools are built to withstand the rigors of the outdoors while providing a stable platform for all your camping essentials. From morning coffee rituals to evening card games, each piece is designed with your comfort in mind. Compact yet spacious, this set effortlessly fits into your camping gear pack, ensuring you have ample seating and dining options wherever your adventures take you. Embrace the freedom of the outdoors with the folding camp table and stool set, your reliable companion for every expedition. Key features: lightweight and portable design, durable construction for outdoor use, compact folding for easy storage, includes stools for convenient seating ideal for camping, picnics, and outdoor activities. Elevate your camping experience with this essential addition to your gear. Order your folding camp table and stool set today and embark on your next adventure with confidence. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.